How's it going, rednecks? I'm outside getting ready to work on my next project, and it's a bit chilly out. That project is going to be pulling this motor right here. This is an LQ9 out of an Escalade, or what's left of an Escalade. This motor is going to be going in disaster transport. I bought this vehicle about 1.5 years ago, but focused on the suspension of disaster transport. So this year, I think I'm going to focus on the motor, get that LQ9 in. But before I pull that motor, I actually want to get the rear axle out of this thing. I'm going to gut this frame, and then we can scrap it out. So what do you say? We start pulling that rear axle, and we work our way to the front. Now, as you can see, I already cut the back of the frame off, and that is right here. That's the rear tire carrier, rear bumper, and receiver. So that cleared me up a lot of room to get that axle out. What do you say we start just on bolting things like the shock? I already soaked everything in PB Blaster. I'm just going to start pulling all the bolts out and get this thing dropped out of the frame.
I am looking for a better day. Seem like they just stay away whenever I try. There's so many things that I keep in my mind.
Alright, it's a little bit in the morning, so I'm going to end it right here. I'm going to leave this bolt in, because between that bolt and the 2 sway bar link bolts, that's stopping this whole axle from kind of dropping out of this thing. And I still need to remove the drive shaft bolts. And I need to cut the e-brake cables. And with it being this early in the morning, I'm not going to make that kind of noise. So I'll catch back up with you guys when it's a little bit warmer in the afternoon, and we can make some noise, and then we'll drop this thing out.
Sitting lonely in my room again, acting like I'm innocent. Why do I try? It's now I'm feeling like a fool again, thinking I can fool myself by telling me lies. When there's so many things that I keep in my mind, I hang around people I don't even like. If they can be.
Alright, I have the rear axle off, and off camera I took all the radius arms off and sway bar and got it all cleared and strapped down, as well as I removed the exhaust. And now I think I'm going to move on to pulling the transfer case, and then we'll be able to pull the motor and transmission.
that I scream, nobody hears. But I
I'm not gonna lie, that makes me nervous. That cherry picker is almost fully extended, which means it could tip over. I guess let's see what happens. Well, Rednecks, I'll take that for a win for today. We got the motor out, transmission out, transfer case out, rear axle out, drive shafts out, got the 2 rear tires off. All I need to do is take the maybe CV axles if I want to keep them. I'll probably take the steering out of it from the tie rod end to tie rod end, pitman arm and all that, and these 2 tires. But for right now, it is 6:30. I need to run that stuff over to my parents' house, get hooked up to this trailer, move it forward, so I can get that motor in this garage. And I'm going to have to cut the video right now because it's going to get dark soon. And I got a lot I got to do and I can't be recording it. So I will catch back up with you guys tomorrow and we'll finish tearing this thing apart. Alright, it's the next day and I have the starter off and I removed the torque converter bolts. I'm planning on videotaping that anyways because it's kind of hard to get the angle in there. But what I got to do next is I need to remove these nuts, get this dipstick tube off, and then we can remove all the bolts on the transmission, and then we could separate the transmission from the motor. So let's get my impact, get them things off, get this thing separated, and then we can start working on pulling that front end apart. Well, Rednecks, with the engine on the engine stand and the transmission laying on the floor, I think I'm going to end the video. I have the vehicle jacked up right now with the cherry picker. I got to pull the front diff off and everything, but I'm kind of sick of moving this camera around. I want to get some work done. I don't have much daylight left and I got to work tomorrow, so I think I'm going to end the video here. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and get back to work. What do you think, Bolt? That's a lot of work. Yeah, that's a lot of work, huh?